everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to play Rolling Thunder. Hope you like this video, and later on I might send a tutorial of this. So before I start this video, I want to thank all my 50 subscribers who subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. So let's begin. Rolling thunder, clouds are coming, looks like rain tonight. See, the world is bright. Rolling thunder, clouds are coming, looks like rain tonight. See, the world is bright. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!